Alright, my cat is the weirdest cat on the planet. Except for those weird cats that act like, I don't know, that literally surf. Alright, boop. So this one, she's nice, she's cuddly. I have a lot of Beanie Boos on my bed. What are you doing? I have a lot of Beanie Boos and stuffed animals on my bed currently because I just went hunting. So just ignore that. So, yeah, I just went Beanie Baby hunting, so this is happening. Okay, she sucks at the blankets. And I was just watching YouTube and then she jumps onto my bed and headbutted me super aggressively for no reason. So, I'm gonna make her